graduate of CSB Pittsburgh. Today's tutorial is on Pro Tools. Pro Tools is an industry standard audio editing program and is very fun to use once you get well acquainted with it. Have fun, sit back and enjoy. Let's get started. This is your standard Pro Tools studio here at CSB. It consists of a lot of equipment. Let's go through this equipment, shall we? First, you have your Pro Tools studio station with the keyboard, monitor, and mouse. Next, you have your mixer where everything is plugged into. Like all mixers, it is labeled with everything that you need. You also have a microphone, some headphones for monitoring, and you also have some studio monitors that are mounted up on the wall. Like in every studio, you also have an audio cabinet. The cabinet consists of your amp for your studio monitors, the computer with Windows XP. On top of the computer is your M-Box, which has to be connected to Pro Tools in order for Pro Tools to load. You have two mini disc players, 1 and 2. Then you also have two CD decks. To open Pro Tools, we'll start by clicking on the icon that's located on the desktop of the computer. After you've clicked the icon, next Pro Tools will load up onto the screen. When it has completed loading, you will now need to open up a new project. You can do this by going to File and clicking New Session. Now you need to name your session. For this session, we're just going to name it Demo 1. Now after you click Save, you will now see your new session screen. It looks like this. But in order to record anything into Pro Tools, you will have to open up a new track. To open up a new track, you will have to click the mouse onto the area that says Track. After you've clicked Track, go down and press New. Now we'll ask you how many tracks you would like to open. 1 is fine for now. The rest of the settings are standard settings. You will not normally need to change these settings. So after you push Create Track, a track should now be created onto your session. Your track looks like this. It will automatically be named Audio 1. Now to start recording into your track, you will need to pot up Mic 1. To do this, unmute Mic 1 and then pot up the leveler. Now click the R in Audio 1 so you can start recording. Make sure you get a nice level by doing a mic check. Mic check 1 2, mic check 1 2. Now go to the top of the menu and click the red circle. Now you're going to need to press the space bar to start recording. CSB Hangout Hour in Monroeville at Buffalo Wild Wings. As you can see, as you're recording, it will be red highlighted and you will see waveforms coming up in the background. She's a sight for sore eyes, isn't she? And we got You will also be able to check your levels on the mixing board when you're recording anything into Pro Tools. Make sure you don't hit the red, that's distorting. The Buffalo Wild Wings, April 4th, Monroeville. Hang out with new students, old students, faculty, friends, beer, wings. That's what it's all To play about. Back your session, click the red R so it's off, and then hit spacebar to play back. Now you can see it is highlighted in blue. That is when you're not recording. You can also check how long your session is by looking at the main menu. To play back on the main monitors that are located on the wall, pot up your main out. You can also listen through your headphones by plugging the headphone jack in through the headphone port on the mixer, and then turning up your headphone mix. This button is labeled under the Max Control Room Headphones. Now when you play back, you can also check your levels on the leveler on Pro Tools and the mixing board. Now have fun with Pro Tools, it's a very cool program.